This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Ashley Hayes. Check out this cute home located in Haughton, won't last long. 3-bedroom 2-bath 1,336 square feet, 1 owner well-maintained home. Wood flooring and foyer, family room and hall. Ceramic tile in kitchen, bathrooms and laundry room. Remote master bedroom with private master bath, garden tub walk-in closet. Tuscany Villas in Haughton is a great neighborhood close to the new Haughton Middle School and the Joe Delaney Memorial Park. 15-minute drive to Barksdale AFB. Home qualifies for rural development loan. No city taxes, no HOA. Great neighborhood. For more information, review the details below.